What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden. We are back with another live cop video this week. And first of all, I just want to say thank you for all the support I've received during my previous week video. We're almost at the 200 subscriber goal that I have set for myself before the end of this year. And if we can crush that goal, I will set a new goal for us before the end of this year. So if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for us, because Erden will be providing you weekly content for your enjoyment. And also at the same time, if you guys want to see anything, whether it's bot review, bot instructions, any general tips about sneaker reselling, about anything, let me know in the comment section below, and I can definitely try to make a video of it if it can garner enough interest. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and let's get into this week's video. So this week we got some decent releases. We got the University Red Dunk. That is the last of the Dunk series that was supposed to release in June, and it finally released after all the pushbacks and delays for the Dunk series. And also we have the Supreme Spring and Summer tee release this week, and headline with that is the Motion logo tee, which is a must cop for all of us. And also we have the Space Hippie pack. Unfortunately, we only got one pair that's releasing for most of the boutiques. That is the 04 version of it, and in terms of resale, it doesn't have a ton, so I don't know how well that's gonna play out, but we'll definitely try to go for them during the sneaker release, and we'll see how we do. I just want to say happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July for all my fellow American friends who are watching this video right now. Hope you guys enjoying a long weekend, and for anyone else, continue to stay safe out there. It is still crazy right now with the coronavirus going on, so everyone stay safe. And let's get into this week's video. Got one. Nice. Got one. Couldn't get the Dunks, so we got the Toddler ones instead. It is what it is, you know? Oh, Balkobot got me one. Nice. Balkobot got one. Wow, this is hard. There's a lot of all the bots. Balkobot actually got one for me first. Surprising, isn't it? Balkobot's foot slide still works. Yay! Oh, we got one submitted in order. Got one. Got one. I don't know what I'm getting right now, to be honest. I have no idea. Two. Another one. I have no idea what I'm getting at this point. Got another one. Nope, another one. Hey guys, so happy 4th of July for everyone who's in the States celebrating the Independence Day. So I'm actually going to see my parents this weekend as well. So good thing is there isn't too much releasing on the weekend, so I won't miss too much. But one last release for this week, we got the Space Hippies. That's releasing. It's already released in Europe and it's been pushed back in the States as well. And unfortunately, most of the Shopify sites and the boutiques that are only dropping one version of it. And I believe they're dropping the Space Hippie 4s, and those were not really doing too well anyway when it comes to resale. Sneakers is actually releasing the full pack, and the main thing I want to get is the 01s and then the 03s. And the 01s obviously is a great looking shoe, and it's great for personals, and also it has really good resale values. 03s is a crazy looking kind of boot looking shoe, but it's still got good resale values with it. So we're gonna try to go for some on TSB and sneakers manual as well. So I don't have too much hope for it, but you know, it is what it is. To give it a shot, right? So I didn't want to go for Shopify's on 04s just because I don't know if I can return them if they break, or you know, if my Shopify skills is up to par. Plus I really kind of needed a break from this. To kind of summarize what we got so far this week, we got a Brazil dunk toddler size. You know, I couldn't really get any real dunks, so I got a toddler size to make it up for it. That was thanks to TSB able to come through for me. Unfortunately, TSB wasn't able to come through for me on the real dunks, the University Red dunks. And my Shopify skill is still lacking when it comes to dunks, and yeah, it is what it is. But I was able to cop some decent profit items on Supreme yesterday. I was able to get 2 motion logo tees, and I was able to get 3 blankets. Those were looking mighty juicy when it comes to resale, so that's a good W for us. Unfortunately, I could have got more, but one thing I learned from the mistake is that I was trying to run too many bots at the same time, trying to maximize my options of copying these things. But with Supreme, or Shopify for that matter, it seems like when captures started happening, it will actually diminish my return when I try to solve all the captures on different bots without prioritizing the captures I needed to solve. So that lesson is definitely learned. I could have caught more motion logo tees had I just focused on mech instead of having cyber running, which didn't have any checkouts during the initial drop. So that's definitely one thing I'm gonna learn from it. So which is good, you know, it's not a hype release when it comes to Supreme yet, so definitely a good learning experience. I was able to cop 4 of the Jordan 14 Toros. I stopped my task way too early, unfortunately. I should have just let it run during the initial release because the resale price is skyrocketing at this moment, and it seems like the price is definitely staying steady. There's a ton of demand for it, and my pre-listing on eBay is getting hit left and right. Unfortunately, I have to refund most of it because I stopped my task too early and I wasn't able to hit too many of the sizes that they ordered. So that's on me. That's purely on me. You know, Erden messed up on that, but it is what it is. We still got 4, and those are all sold already. So we're fetching decent $60 to $80 profit on each of the shoes. So I'm very happy about that. And with Space Hippie, that will conclude our week. And then your boy's about to drive 5 hours with a dog. So we're gonna have a good time. So without further ado, let's get into the Space Hippie, our last drop this week. Good guys, so now after all the live cop videos, it's time to do some unboxing for all the things that came in from this week. And as you can see, we got quite a few things that came in this week, and ready to show you guys what we got. First thing first, we got some of the Supreme Ziploc bags. I already got some orders filled on eBay for about like $15 to $20 a pop, so I'm pretty excited about those. They're fetching decent profit right now. And then I wasn't able to get an actual like women's size tie-dye, so I was able to cop one on restock from Jimmy Jazz on the kid size. And it's not bad. I'm actually regretting the fact that I wasn't able to cop the real size ones, because these ones look really nice. So but yeah. And then we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 6, all 6 of our Yeezy Barium came in. And as you can see, this is a really nice basketball shoe. I like it a lot. And considering the fact this is a high top and it's got decent ankle support with it, and the material is nice, the boost actually feels amazing. So I think this is actually really good. I'm not sure, I haven't worn it myself yet, but yeah, I really like this shoe. The price is not doing so hot right now, but I can envision the price go up later on. So if you guys do have the capital to do so, I suggest holding on to this for a little bit, because these are gonna go up. So lastly, we got the Jordan 11 Bread / Concord lows. These are surprisingly nice. I actually really like these. You know, on the picture, it didn't really look too fancy or hyped up about it, but when I got them in my hands, these are actually really nice. So I got like 4 of them right now. I got one from Nike, I got a couple. The price is actually doing decent. The smaller size is actually doing decently well when it comes to resale. So, but yeah. So one thing I want to show you guys is I actually copped the size 17 Easy Quantum. Look how big this is. Holy crap. Let me show you guys what it looks like for a size 17 foot. Dude. Can you imagine the person that's wearing this pair of shoes? Holy crap, look at this. But I gotta say though, I mean, considering this is a basketball shoe, I actually got an offer for these on eBay, so. Alright, so that's all the unboxing we have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week, and thank you for your continued support. If you haven't done so yet, and if you do enjoy my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video and hit the subscribe button and a notification bell, alright? So hope you guys have a safe holidays and hope you guys enjoy the time you have with your families. And in the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.